guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I just want to take this opportunity to welcome you and say thank you so much for viewing. So in this short quick video, I'm going to be showing you how I was able to transform my full head wig into a Upart wig. So I went ahead and used this wig last week for a full head wig, but I wanted to have it looking more natural and blending with my hair. So I went ahead and I dyed this wig into a golden bronze color, but it did not take the color. So it's kind of a different color from my hair. I also tried to dye my hair by using a rinse, but my hair is really jet black and it really did not work for me. It did not take the color also. I know that I will be going back and dye this wig into black, that I can get it to match the color of my hair. However, I just wanted to show you how I did this, how I was able to achieve this look, blending this hair to be like my natural hair. Okay, so if you want to see how this turns out to be, please continue to watch this video to the end. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and also give me a thumbs up, guys. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and have yourself a blessed and awesome day.